The focused shockwave is a high energy treatment modality we use to kickstart the healing process in some of the more stubborn pathologies that we see.
The piezo wave shockwave system is the most accurate, with the highest energy output and the most durable product on the market. And that's why we use it at Complete Physio.
So we'd use focused shockwave when your pain or your pathology starts to limit your quality of life or limit the things that you enjoy doing, to kickstart that healing process and allow you to get back to the stuff that you enjoy.
At Complete, we use shockwave often for tendon problems, some bony problems, and particularly calcification within the tendon, which it is really good for. But we always see shockwave as an adjunct to treatment. Shockwave shouldn't be a standalone treatment. It should be done alongside a rehabilitation program. And at Complete, that fits perfectly because we've got the shockwave equipment. We've also got experienced physiotherapists who are going to be able to take you through that rehabilitation program. And we believe that that package and that combination of treatment is one of the reasons we get some really good success stories.